Hello, good morning to everyone. We are students of final year chemical engineering of SROF SR Rotary Institute of Chemical Technology. Our project ID is 122495. The topic of today's presentation is comprehensive research on preparation and characterization of concave as an adsorbent. Our project is guided by Ms. Dhara Rojivadia ma'am. It is followed by e-poster and video presentation. I will explain introduction part. For any industry, variety of adsorbent are used and many of them are costly and less environment friendly. So to take a step towards bioadsorbent, we have research on its preparation and characteristics on agriculture waste of concaves. Now Kaushal will continue.
The objective of our projects are first is a study the preparation of adsorbent from concave. Second one is to study the characteristics of an adsorbent, and third one is a study behavior of concave of different metal contaminants. In brief, why we have selected this project, the reasons are industries uses predominantly synthesized adsorbent for different unit operations. Second one is a study on bioadsorbent, gives a better and convenient options for making adsorbent from bio waste. And third one is synthesize the adsorbent after intensive studies, give better options to industries and it conserve environment also. We have study on two types of bioadsorbent. First one is unmodified adsorbent and second one is modified adsorbent. Now Manan will continue.
So we have studied on unmodified and modified both type of adsorbent. First, I will explain procedure to make unmodified adsorbent. So first we have to wash the corn cobs. After washing, we have to dry its small parts. Then we have to grind it in small in powder form. After grinding, we have to absorb it. We have to perform sieving operations, and after sieving operation we have to go for the purification step. In purification step we have to react it with H2SO4, and after we have to hydrolyze this solution and dilute it in by the water. uh, After the purification step, we have to dry it in oven, and after drying, we got this type of product which I have shown in the figure. We can also check its properties by different spectrophotometers. We can check in atomic adsorption spectrometer. We can check mineral content. In SEM, we can check its porosity of the adsorbent, and in SEM EDX, we can show the structure of adsorbent. Now we have performed unmodified adsorbent operation. So the equations for the unmodified adsorbent to check its adsorption capacity Q is CO, it is the initial concentration, and CE is the final concentration. The percentage removal can check by CO minus CE by CO into 100. So we can got the percentage of removal. Now Anil will explain.
Myself Anil, and now I am talking about the advantage and conclusion of concave adsorbent. Now advantage, it offers efficiency of 50% to 90%, cheap and easily available raw material for making of adsorbent, need less maintenance and supervision. It can easily use to remove hard metal from wastewater and dyes. Now talking about conclusion, no need of heavy purchase for an adsorbent, safe and environmental bio-waste generated product with efficient output. Efficiency varies with the quality of generation process of bioadsorbent. Step towards clean and clean environment. Last, characteristic play main role in adsorbent working efficiency. Thank you.